Hi, I'm going to walk you through my skincare routine, and this is using my Seint skincare system. So this is the cleanser, toner, and the cream. Ugh, the best face cream ever. You guys need to have this in your life. And so I'm just going to show you how I go about removing my makeup and cleansing my face and getting ready to go to bed. So let's get started. I like to go in because right now I did a pretty intense eye look and I have my 3D foundation on. So I like to go in with some warm water and just loosen everything up so that I can easily just wipe it off and I'm not rubbing my skin really hard to get my makeup off. So I'm gonna go do that, loosen it up. I'll be back looking crazy in just a second. Okay, so here I am back. I'm looking a little bit scary, but this is my favorite thing to remove my makeup. This is the makeup eraser cloths that are just my absolute favorite. They are so gentle and I have pretty sensitive skin, so I've never been able to use makeup wipes without it causing like my skin to get red and irritated. And these are just so soft and gentle. They will lightly exfoliate and they take your makeup off so easily. And they have a 7-day set. That's what I recommend. So I just have the 7-day set. It came with a little bag. As I use them, I throw them in the little bag and then I launder them all on the weekend and start with new cloths for the new week. Okay, there we go. Got all of my makeup off. Now I'm ready to start with my Seint cleanser. And all 3 of these are made with skim milk, and which means that they have lactic acid in them, which is really a little bit exfoliating, really gentle exfoliation. It also has anti-aging properties, and I do about 6 sprays. It is really liquidy, so I'll just rub my hands together and then rub it on my face. They also all have honey in them, which has anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties as well. So this is a non-foaming cleanser, which means it is super gentle. Like, foaming agents generally are a little bit harsh on our skin. Our skin is a little bit acidic, and foaming agents are a little bit alkaline, so they can strip your skin of that natural acid that should be there. So getting something without a foaming agent is actually a really good idea for gentle skincare. And if you have already oily skin, this is gonna help your skin not produce extra oil to compensate for you drying it out with a harsh cleanser. Okay, so I rub it in until it starts to feel kind of like I'm rubbing in lotion. And now I'm gonna take my microfiber cloth, and if you buy the set, all 3, you get a set of 3 microfiber cloths free, which is a great deal, and they are so soft and gorgeous and luxurious. So I just get it, run it under warm water and wring it out, and I use one side. I could probably get away with about 4 days of using my microfiber cloth before I wash them, which is great because then I just throw them in with my makeup eraser cloths and do a whole microfiber cloth wash. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take off that cleanser, my microfiber cloth, get any residual makeup that might be left over. Now for the toner. And you guys, I am obsessed with toner. I love the feel of toner, but toner is gonna balance your pH and make sure that your skin stays hydrated and stays a normal pH level. So closer to that acidic level, and because this has the skim milk with lactic acid, it's slightly acidic and it's gonna keep your face just in that perfect pH balance. And it feels so good, you guys. I love the feel of a toner on my skin. Just nice and soft and refreshing. And in the mornings, because my skin is slightly on the oily side, I actually skip this next step. That's where I stop in the mornings. But at night, I slather on this cream. This stuff is so amazing. It is so thick, but not at all oily. It just glides on and soaks right in. So it's got this pump. So I just pump out one pump, which is enough for my whole face. You don't have to use very much. A little bit goes a long way. And I just place it all over my face. It just goes on like a dream. Also with lactic acid and honey, and it's super, super hydrating and super thick. So if you do any kind of serums or anything, like under eye creams or serums on your face, you need to do them before you apply this, because it's so thick that they won't be able to penetrate the skin if you put them on after your cream. So go ahead and put any serums or anything else on before you put on your milk cream. And there you go. You can buy each of these individually, or you can buy them as the whole set and get your microfiber, a set of 3 microfiber cloths with your full set of Seint skincare. So run out and grab it. I can't recommend it enough. It has truly helped kind of reduce the look of some of my aging sunspots. It has reduced my acne. Like my acne, my eczema have cleared up so much. I still get hormonal breakouts, and the breakouts actually clear up a lot quicker when I'm really, really consistent with my Seint skincare. So go grab some today. The link in my bio. I will also link these cloths so that you can get your hands on the makeup eraser cloths, because I highly recommend them. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in.